Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Rang Bak Kejelap Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ulapan menapat ba bahakah nyau terik unai luar arajar arpuar. Ka sorkar jela kan pelipat ba no ya ka touch vivanta lani ka hotel Crowborough ka badan hak kendailan. Ka bala sateng la live house na mentah. Ulapan penaru ba ka sorkar kan island ya ki real sengkam da ka bay pisa bakin taw ya ki homestay na ka bentaban kring ya ki nongwan jengok kai bala khmi lenti bakin mi ki homestay kumbakat sanspa lani arajar kamera ha ki snem ki banwan. Ka sorkar kan kirshan pisa ya ki bakwa bantau homestay bat hadian baki layok nong. Hadian real ni prasnem kin hap an siêu bay banai no kumbasan hajar ni real hajar si banai kabalong kum kajing pendep jongki ya karam. Nang tau loong baka sorkar kandang yai peteng ki Tamasa ki bladon lupa kum ka Tamasa pen Umïam ka Tamasa Cherry Blossom Mekong Festival Northeast Olympic Games bat kan kring lu ya kinong jengok kai ling baka syat wanggala lani ka syat nong krem. Shu lo ong baka sorkar ka temu ban pedlong ya ka Tamasa King Lieng hawa Umïam ha ka ba onwan ra kombasan pho ne hispat li Lieng bat ya kani an pedlong ha ka tayo baning kong jong Naiwieng.
As you're aware that tourism has been one of the main service sector industries, and it has also a huge potential, and we have seen large number of jobs being created through it, and it's also a sector which is potential of bringing in huge revenue for the people as well as for the state. So definitely tourism is a sector that we have been focusing on in the past, and we realize that there's a huge opportunity for us to be able to package things in a much better manner and get much more output out of the different locations and different events that we can do. So with that in mind, we have decided that we should come out with a proper systematic calendar of events so that a tourist is easily able to identify and take a decision on where he or she would want to go. And hence today we are here to announce the calendar of events for the autumn season for Meghalaya. And we feel that after 2 years of COVID, where we have had a lot of challenges, tourism is picking up and the response is been like never before, and we have a huge inflow of tourists, and hence it is important for us that we are able to maximize the overall situation here and get maximum benefit for our hotels and tour operators and all the other stakeholders in the tourism sector. I would also like to just inform you, 7th of September, we will be inaugurating the new Taj Vivanta in the state, that is the Crowborough Hotel. The inauguration and launching will be on the 7th of September. So finally, a project that has been lying and has been facing a lot of problems for the past 30 years, many decades, and was on and off. Finally, we have been able to conclude it now, and as I said, on the 7th of September will be the official inauguration of Taj Vivanta. And to follow that up, very soon after that, we will be inaugurating the Courtyard Marriott. And we are also in the process to ensure that more and more hotels and other properties come up throughout the state, and those projects also are in the pipeline. Apart from that, we have also been focusing a lot on homestays, and as you are aware that we are in fact giving one of the best homestay programs in the entire country today, where we are giving up to 60 to 70% in terms of the financial benefit to the beneficiaries that is subsidized from our side, and the beneficiaries who are approximately about 300 applicants we have received in the last few months. Once they are able to move forward, they will, in the next 6, 7, 8 years, they will be hardly paying 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per month as the payments, in terms of the bank amounts that have to be given back. So it's a very minimum and nominal amount, and maximum support will be given by the government. So we expect huge response through this, and through this we are hoping that we'll be able to create another 1,500 to 2,000 rooms just from the homestay programs and maybe even more. And apart from that, as I said, these 5-star properties and other properties also, we are working very hard to ensure that larger and more better and many more of these hotel properties come up. I would just like to inform you that we have lined up many events and we will give a detailed presentation on that. But I would just like to share with you that it will include different kind of activities from international film festival to the winter tales which we had last time, to going into the autumn festival, the cherry blossom festival, the Naiwieng festival. We will have the Northeast Olympic Games. We will have, of course, the Mangala and the Nopring Festival, and many such programs will be held. And as I said, we will showcase that to you in a few minutes. Another very interesting program which we're going to have sometime in the first week of November, which is a very unique one, is we're going to have Umïam boating regatta. Here we plan to bring in about 50 to 100 boats, and we plan to have different kind of activities related to that. So during that time, you'll be finding, normally you find just 1 or 2 boats in Umïam Lake, but here we plan to really make it into a festival and a festive kind of environment. So for the first time, there will be kind of a boating festival on Umïam Lake, and that is going to be in the month of November. We will show that also to you. So the purpose of having this press conference was really to gear up and to disperse this information and to let everybody know that we have a very, very well planned autumn and winter season, keeping in mind the tourism opportunities that are there, and to ensure that we can attract more and more tourists and to disperse this information to the tourists so that they can make their plans to come to different parts of the state to enjoy these different festivals and programs that we plan to have. So once again, I thank the Tourism Department, I thank the Honorable Minister of Tourism and the officials who have really taken a lot of trouble to work all of this out. And I'm sure that with these, when you see the events that are going to take place, you will be quite pleasantly surprised at seeing the different kind of programs, and we expect a huge turnout to be there. In fact, in all these programs that we're going to have, we are raising the level of the professionalism, the participation, and the quality to a new level, completely new level. So what we saw Cherry Blossom last year was much bigger than what it was many years back. I can tell you that this year's Cherry Blossom is going to be even bigger than what it was last year. So we are really expanding the overall reach of these programs, and all of these programs are going to be held at a professional level like we've never seen before. And I can assure you that maybe Cherry Blossom Festival may be one of the biggest and the best events that's going to take place, if not in the country, then at least in the region as a whole. So a lot of exciting things are coming up. This time, because we are planning much in advance, so we'll have much bigger literary names, so we are working on those details. And we'll also be doing, as part of the Cherry Blossom Festival, a mega music festival, which will be the largest rock band, all kind of music competition, which will be open to all the performers, bands, everybody, all music talents in the state. So this will be the largest of its kind. It's a 3-day thing which will go on a competition, and the finalists will get to perform on the main stage in front of international artists. So we'll be giving a cash prize of 10 lakhs and various other facilities worth almost about 25 lakhs. So this will be the largest mega music festival that will be happening. So which means it is not just a festival, it will obviously promote tourism, but it will also create opportunities for the young people of the state in a very, very huge way. Similarly, the Naiwieng festival, which we did for the first time last year in Tura, this time will be done on a much larger scale. There is no specific plan to plant trees all the way to Shillong to Tura. There is no plan like that. But obviously, we would want to ensure that wherever we are going to construct new roads, and wherever the tourist flow is there, wherever the areas which we can build up, it's an area which we are encouraging and we want this to. But if you ask me specifically, are we going to go for a roadmap planning? There are certain paths, footpaths, certain roads, 100 meter, 200 meter sections where the complete cherry blossom trees are there. Those kind of things have already been initiated, and it's being done at different levels, different scales. But no, there's no plan to plant all the way from Shillong. We have events starting all the way from October 13th, which is going to be the Mega Kayak Fest. Then we have, that will be from October 13th to 16th. Then again on October 29th, the Autumn Festival. Then again on October 30th, we'll start with the Northeast Olympic Games. Then November 2nd, we'll have the Umïam boating regatta. Then we have November 4th, we'll have the Hills Festival. Then the mega, the Cherry Blossom will be a 9-day event with starting from 17th to 26th of November. Then we have the Naiwieng Festival, which will come sometime in December, first week. Then the film fair again will be in the second week of December. So it's a continuous event from October, November to December. And approximately for all these events put together, we'll touch roughly anything between 12 to 15 crores. Everything, all of this together. And we expect financial support from sponsors also. But the impact of this, of number of people coming in, will be hundreds and more than what it was. But if you were to look at the farmers, if you look at the different self-help groups and different areas which we worked on, there's a lot of work that's going on in the classroom. But having said that, of course, there are always been problems. Even big nations and big developed countries have got issues. So, but does that mean we stop trying? Does that mean that we don't do this kind of things to promote tourism? Does that mean that we don't give the opportunity to our youth to show their talent in terms of music, to compete in Olympic Games, Northeast Olympics? We don't allow our youngsters who are interested in writing to be part of this literary festival, to be inspired by these writers who are coming from different parts. I think that's a very negative way of looking at it, if you would ask me. But having said that, I'm not saying that there are no problems. Yes, we have challenges. We have a lot of road problems, and in the last 5 years, a huge amount of money has been spent on repairing and constructing new roads like never before. In fact, if you look at the teachers, we have resolved almost all the issues that were concerning teachers that were there. Since you asked me, let me go specifically. Today we have already cleared the 4 months, 5 months salary of the SSA teachers. And now we are in the process, and we are expecting that very soon we should be able to clear a further amount of salaries, and we should see that things will streamline in the SSA, at least for this academic year. If you look at the ad-hoc teachers, we have increased their salary on an average by, not salary, I should say, the grant that we gave to the management committees by almost about 40-45%. And they have accepted it. So we're moving forward with that. Though it's not the government's responsibility as such to pay the salaries of the private schools, they are managed privately. But we realize that they're teachers, they're doing work at the grassroots, and government should support them. So we are. But again, as I said, it's sad to hear the negativity that's there in your mind, that you fail to see that, that these challenges being there, that we need to create opportunities, and if the government does not do that, then we are failing a duty to push the economy forward. Maybe you don't realize it, but with this happening, the large number of tourists coming in, it is our people of our state who will earn money through the homestays that they will be giving out, through the food that they will be selling to the restaurants, to the items that they will be selling to the tourists who are coming from outside, to the drivers and the taxi drivers, the tour guides who will be our own people who will be there, a large number of them will be using. So tourism is a sector which will impact these people. So it's, as I said, it's sad that you don't see that, but I'm sure that majority of people don't think the way you think negatively. I think most of the people see the positivity of this, and I'm sure that you will see the positive events and lines that are going in that line. And conclude this point that I'm making, that I totally agree that there are traffic jam problems, there are road issues, and there are different issues, but that does not mean that we don't encourage tourism. So we need to do that. It happens. There's a problem, but as I said, does that mean that because the traffic problem has not been solved, so we stop tourism event? Are you saying that we say that? Is that the way we read it? That means till we don't resolve the traffic problem, there should be no tourism. It will happen. Expect the tourism to happen because that's how it is. We agree the crowds will be there, they will be. But we will try our best to manage. We will of course tell the police to manage the traffic, to ensure that there is a good flow of traffic. We will try to get parking spaces. And yeah, it will happen. But as I said, these kind of challenges and problems are there. It's not just in Shillong, it happens in a lot of places. And yes, we are on the block and we are trying to figure out how to resolve that. You must be knowing that apart from all these things, we are doing a lot of programs for introducing buses, whether it's electric buses, and different kind of buses, public mobility, and different kind of aspects. We are shaping the entire administrative side very soon to places that are beyond the main Shillong area to new Shillong side so that deep initiative can take place. But all this takes time. As I said, but while that happens,